So I just got in another sample, pet hair removal glove. I have 4 dogs, and let me show you what my pants look like after my workout. Cute. Gotta love it. So let's open it and see how well it works. All right, it's on. I'm not gonna edit this. I'm just gonna do it with you guys, and we're gonna see. All right. Okay. Wow, okay. Let's brush off this hair. Keep going. All in all, did a really good job, I think. I'm gonna link it below if you want to give it a shot. Have a good day.